Good morning students. This video is for class 3 science, and today we will start a new chapter, that is animals, and under the heading animals we will start common insect. That means insects that you generally find around where you live. Insects are very small animals with 6 legs. So insects, they are very small animals. You all must have seen insects. They are very small in size, they are very tiny in size, and they have 6 legs. They can adjust easily to the changes in the environment. So they can adapt easily to the changes. If there is any changes in the environment, suppose sometimes rain, then sometimes the weather is very hot, so they can easily adapt themselves and they can survive in the survive with the changes in the environment. They are found almost everywhere, in air, on land, in water, and even under the soil, and on plants and animals. So if you look around you, sometimes you will almost see every time there are some other insects that are flying beside you. There are several kinds of insects present on earth. That means there are many different kinds of insects that are present on earth. Maybe you have seen many and maybe you have not seen many. They differ in size, shape, color, and other features. So if you see insects, if you have seen different types of insects, you will see they are of different size, they are of different shape, they are of different color, and they have other features, other characteristics also. Some common insects that can be seen in our surroundings include ants, beetle. So these are few examples that they have given you, and you can see them around you. Especially house flies, mosquitoes, ants. So these are very common insects that you can see every time almost around where you live. Now, like each and every living things have different body parts. Insects also have different body parts. Their body parts of insects, they are of how many types? They have 3 types. Number 1 is thorax, the one is head. Number 2 is thorax, and number 3 is abdomen. Now the insect's body is, suppose if this is insects, suppose if you take this drawing, insects are divided into 3 parts. The first part is the head, the second part is the thorax, and the third part is the abdomen. Now we will read about this in details, about the head, the thorax, and the abdomen in details in the next class. So children, please read this first paragraph up to how much I have already explained. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.